Hi there, and welcome to our video series on being more productive in Git with Tower. In this episode, I will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to quickly open a repository in Tower. So let's take a look. To access the Quick Open dialog, simply press Ctrl Shift O or Ctrl Shift O on Windows, or simply use the toolbar button. Immediately, without any input, you will see a list of your most recent repositories, allowing you to resume work in your most frequented repos. Fuzzy search is of course possible too. Type a few letters of a repository's name and you will see all the matching results. Do you want to search for a repository that you haven't yet bookmarked or opened in Tower? No problem. The Quick Open dialog also tries to find repos that you haven't added to Tower yet. This means you get easy access to all your Git repositories. Tower helps more than 100,000 developers be more productive with Git. Download it now at gittower.com and give it a try. 30 days for free.